I want to talk to you about something very serious. Recently, with the unfortunate deaths of people at a camp, and a nurse, a lot of controversy swirling around her, that they suspended her license, and the latest is that they had a hearing on the suspension, and they reportedly reinstated for now, but can't see patients. Now, a lot of people are outraged or angry about it and saying they're getting a slap on the wrist. Whoa, here in Texas and the board, they don't play around on nurses. This person was not only a nurse, she was a health officer. She had an emergency plan that she had to do. And the other shoe hasn't dropped. The district attorney and child protective can look at it. Children are dead. And that majestic area where it happened, this person is under fire. And as well she should be. But her attorneys do have some defenses, and the board does have their burden. Let me tell you what's really going on behind the scenes. When somebody gets accused of something that causes someone's death, now more and more people are looking at it not just as negligence, but did they do it intentionally? Did they do it with some sort of as they say in other jurisdictions, malice aforethought? Did they think about it? Was it I'm saying, well, to heck with the kids, I'm taking my own kids and leaving and not trying to alert the authorities that children are dying or dead or in danger? And the media is getting a hold of this, so it's a wait and see on this. But let me break it down for you. You get a complaint from the board. If you do bad, or you're accused of doing bad, allegedly, they can say, look, you're such a danger to the public right now, we can't take a chance, we're going to suspend you. Like if you get in a DWI accident and you knock out a family and they're injured or dead, likely the board is going to say, we don't care if you haven't been indicted yet, you've been arrested for this, we're not going to take a chance that you're going to go to work drunk or presumably drunk. That's just an example. And this is just Texas. Many other jurisdictions handle it sort of same or similar. Get on the National Council of State Board of Nurses website, ncsbn.org, to learn more about that. But we'll have to wait and see on this one, because a lot of these cases, naturally, nurses are saying, we always get blamed. But if you take on responsibility and an emergency preparedness, it's not just a policy. You've got to enforce it. So this is a case that is evolving. This is a case that we're watching. And we will see what will happen with the license. But the process is this. She will continue to be investigated. It's not a slap on the wrist and it's the end of it. No. The board will continue to investigate, see what findings there are. And when you get reported to the board, and if they make the charges stick, they can take away your license. They can just reprimand you, or they can revoke it forever. And not only that, even if you get a slap on the wrist, it goes to the Eye in the Sky National Practitioner Data Bank. And that will tell people wherever you apply in any state that you have an infraction somewhere. And sometimes you're denied participating in Medicare if you ever did any type of fraud, or you did some what they call ghost notes, saw people that you didn't really see and you documented for it. I've seen that a lot. In this case that we're looking at, there's some children that are dead. There's a lot of blame to go around. Let's not just focus in on the nurse. I think the media is just focusing in on the nurse. Colonel Mustard did it in the kitchen with a knife kind of thing, and blame it on the nurse, blame it on the maid. No. We're talking about policies, custom practices of the people who own that, not only the nurse. So we will keep you all updated on this case as it develops. Thank you all, and it's Joe Flores on Legal Minute Clinic. You heard it here first. Thank you, and God bless.